Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you some Walmart beauty boxes, and it's not the usual like subscription beauty boxes. These are some other beauty boxes that I found out that Walmart was selling through Rad is Vad. No, through Vad is Rad. They are $9.88 each, guys, and they're like selling out quickly. So I suggest you get them. I didn't get every single box. There's like, I don't even know how many boxes. I think there's like 9 or 10 boxes, but I did get a few of them and I wanted to share them with you guys. So the first one is a huge one, and this I actually got for my husband, and this is a Life shaving kit. Guys, literally this was a $9.88, like, and what comes in here is all of this stuff. So you get a Harry's foaming shave gel, a Cremo shave cream bourbon blend, a volcano clay face wipes, a shave balm, a post shave balm, and a facial sheet mask oil defense. So I think he would like this. And I don't know if it also brings a razor or something in there, because I see a picture of a razor in here. Oh, it does bring a razor as well. Look, it brings the razor right here. This, and Harry's is a pretty good brand, so I'm excited to give that to him. I'm not obviously not going to open that one up because that's going to be up to him. The next one I got is the Glow Like a Pro set, and this says get ready for your close-up with our glow enhancing face set. This says Walmart favorites, so I'm guessing that it's like stuff that they sell out really quick or that people really like, I'm guessing. So what we have in here is an e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer, a Maybelline Face Studio Master Primer Mini, a Hard Candy Mini Matte Setting Spray, a Hard Candy Mini Body Luminizer, Milani Strobe Light Instant Glow Highlighter, Milani Rose Powder Blush, and Found Beauty Illuminating Makeup Setting Spray. Wow. That's a lot of stuff for $9. And there's everything in there. So yeah, so we've got 2 setting sprays, a body luminizer, a primer, 2 primers, and a blush and a highlight. So that's awesome. I don't know if I want to open this one though. There's really nothing here to try out except like the highlighter and the blush, but that's not really. Next one in here is the Everything Skin Kit. And this is Healthy Skin for the Win. And look at all that stuff, guys. It has all that stuff in there. Like, look how small the... Oh my god, I'm excited about this one. And I'm not a big skincare junkie either. So, it has a moisturizer. It has 2 micellar cleansing waters, which is this thing. Really, really good. It has a Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, like a travel one, which I love. It has Neutrogena cleansing towelettes, which I don't like too much. It has Physicians Formula, an oil serum. It has a Clean and Clear Zesty scrub. It has rose water facial mist, a little sample of CeraVe moisturizing balm, a sample of e.l.f. hydrating bubble mask, and 2 peel pads for your face. So this is amazing for $9. Really good deal, guys. I got 2 more, and this one is the Eyes Have It, and this is high impact formulas for irresistible eye looks. And this is like mascaras and eye creams, I think. So we have this in there. This would be awesome for a gift, like somebody that you know that likes skincare or likes to try different mascaras or likes what do you call it, like lip stuff, which is the next one I'm going to show you. I'll probably open up that one. You know, this is like an amazing little gift for someone. So this one says it has an under eye gold gel mask. It has a L'Oreal Voluminous Primer Base, a Lash Accelerator Serum, a Lash Sensational from Maybelline, a sample, a CoverGirl Lid Lockup, a CoverGirl Nourishing Eye Blast Mascara, and then like an eyebrow pencil from e.l.f. That is amazing. Really, really good. This is awesome. And the last one, which is probably going to be my favorite because you guys know I'm a lippy person. This is called Latest in Lips. So this one has, ooh, the collagen mask moved out of place. I don't like that. That's okay. I'm going to open this one up because I'm going to swatch these for you because I love this. I love this. So it has a plumping serum. It has a collagen lip patch. It has something from Flower Beauty. It has a gloss from Almay, a liquid catsuit from NYX. That was NYX, right? A Neutrogena Hydro Boost Lip Shine, and Burt's Bees. I'm going to open this one, guys, so I can share with y'all what I got. Whoa. So this is the little lip patch. You guys already know what that is. Those are those little masks. So let's do, look at this. Oh my gosh. Flirt Alert. This is the liquid catsuit. Oh, from Wet n Wild. It's not NYX, it's Wet n Wild. That's why I was like, is that NYX? I love these. I really, really love these. So, and I love the packaging, which is like white. I love that. Ooh, pretty color. Reminds me of Valentine's Day. That's that color right there. It's Flirt Alert. The next thing is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. And does this have a name? Radiant Rose. Very pretty. Their applicator is so weird. Look at that. It's like a little spoon. It's so weird. That's the color right here. It's like a little gloss, a rosy gloss. Oh my gosh, I can hardly put it back in there. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. I thought it was gonna break. Burt's Bees. I like Burt's Bees, guys. So this is the Burt's Bees liquid lipstick in the color Tidal Taupe. Oh. This is a very nice nude color. Definitely. That's that one right there. It's like a brownish nude. I'm not going to open up the serum because that's just a plumping serum. I don't think it has anything special. But the packaging is very pretty. It's a rose gold packaging and it's like really like weird. It's gorgeous. It really is. So the next one is from Flower Beauty. And this is, what is this? A Miracle Matte Lip in Dark and Stormy. That's a cool name for this one. It does look dark and stormy. Oh gosh, definitely dark and stormy. That's the color right there. It looks a lot darker than the tube. I don't think I will wear that. That's really dark, but never say never. And then this is a beautiful gloss from Almay. It's like glittery and it is called Angelic. It definitely looks angelic, I'll tell you that much. It does look angelic. Okay. It's like a whitish, like iridescent kind of gloss. That's it right there. Can you guys see that? Very pretty though. All right, so that's everything in the lip kit. And of course, the little collagen mask set, which I absolutely love. Super happy with these purchases, guys. I think they're so worth it. You guys should get your hands on them. I hope they're not sold out. They're great. So you have the lip one, the skin one. There were other ones that I didn't get because I was like, okay, I'm not going to use that, so I decided not to get it. But I definitely highly recommend them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link them down below because you can buy them online. That's what I did. I bought them online, picked them up at the store. Convenient. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.